The Japanese company Sagawa Electronics has unveiled the revolutionary powered Jacket MK3 exoskeleton. Weighing about 25 kilograms, this exoskeleton lifts the user to an impressive height of 2.1 meters. Its main purpose is to enhance the user's strength and height, improving their physical capabilities in everyday life. The powered Jacket MK3 is not just an entertainment gadget, but a fully functional system designed for practical use. The exoskeleton can assist with tasks like climbing stairs, make running easier, or even perform delicate tasks, such as cracking egg as demonstrated in one of the videos. The Power Jacket MK3 features a total of 14 servo motors, and its arms are currently capable of lifting up to 15 kilograms. However, the powered Jacket MK3 comes with a high price tag of around $123,000, making it a luxury item for those who dream of feeling stronger and taller. Here is a unique exoskeleton robot from Robotics company. The main purpose of the exoskeleton robot, called Guardian GT, is to move massive loads. The robot's impressive technical specifications deserve special attention. The machine, equipped with manipulators about 2 meters long, precisely mimics human movements and is equipped with a tactile feedback system. Each manipulator has a lifting capacity of 225 kilograms. If the robot lifts a load weighing around 450 kilograms, the operator will feel as if they are holding an object weighing no more than 2 kilograms. The operator can also feel surrounding objects through the robot's hand. The developers plan to use this loader not only in construction and industry, but also for disaster relief and working in hazardous environments, as the operator can be positioned at a significant distance from the work area. A team of Russian engineers from the YouTube channel Contrafact Studio decided to create a series of powerful exoskeletons that have caught the interest of the Russian military. A soldier using such a development would gain impressive abilities that enhance human physical capabilities. After numerous tests of the exoskeleton prototype, the engineers concluded that it's possible to shoot effectively from a rifle or machine gun using just one hand. Additionally, according to the designer's calculations, a proper combat exoskeleton would allow a soldier to move during combat at speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour and carry up to 100 kilograms of useful load. Unlike passive exoskeletons, active designs that increase muscle strength use an autonomous power source. While manufacturing many elements of the exoskeleton is already feasible, the necessary battery with the required parameters has not yet been developed. Overall, this is a very promising development that could significantly increase the strength of both military personnel and civilians. This is another promising development from the same engineers. The main advantage of the Mark IV M model is that it can be used in both active and passive modes. This means that the exoskeleton can enhance the soldier's physical capabilities while moving through rough terrain or mountains using servo motors, direct drive electric motors powered by batteries. The passive mode activates when the person moves on flat surfaces with a load. One of the key benefits of this prototype, which could become part of Soldiers of the Future gear, is the reduction of stress on the human musculoskeletal system by 50%, which in turn improves key combat characteristics. In other words, the exoskeleton reduces energy expenditure during running and walking by 15%, allows carrying up to 60 kilograms of load, and improves the accuracy of shooting automatic weapons by 20%. A new passive exoskeleton designed to support the back, shoulders, and knees during physically demanding work has been introduced by Mawashi Science and Technology. The Uplift exoskeleton is aimed at reducing the risk of musculoskeletal disorders and increasing human endurance. Weighing just 5.7 kilograms, it is lightweight and comfortable for extended use. The key feature of Uplift is its autonomy, because it does not require an external power source such as a battery. Instead, it utilizes mechanical systems and elastics that store and release energy. The Uplift exoskeleton can reduce muscle fatigue by up to 60%, decrease back strain by 50%, and increase lifting strength by 25%. At CES 2020, Robotics company unveiled the unique Guardian XO exoskeleton in collaboration with Delta Airlines. This innovative suit was designed to enhance the physical abilities of workers, especially in industries requiring heavy manual labor, such as air transportation. The Guardian XO is the world's first full-body battery-powered exoskeleton, allowing the operator to lift 90 kilograms without fatigue or strain. During the CES presentation, the exoskeleton was showcased in an impressive demonstration where the operator effortlessly lifted 68-kilogram suitcases and even performed dance moves showcasing its agility. The exoskeleton's batteries are easily replaceable, allowing for up to 8 hours of continuous operation. This invention not only amplifies the operator's strength by 20 times, but also provides freedom of movement and intuitive control through built-in sensors. Ford Company has decided to ease the workload for its employees and has begun the mass rollout of ExoVest exoskeleton suits across all of its factories. After successfully completing trials in the United States, the ExoVest suits will be introduced at 15 of the company's plants worldwide. As stated by the company, building a car is physically demanding work, and we care about our staff and want to reduce the physical strain on our assembly workers. The ExoVest's purpose is to reduce muscle fatigue for workers performing repetitive tasks with their arms raised, such as assembly workers operating underneath vehicles. ExoVest is one of the latest innovations in the field of exoskeleton development, aimed at augmenting human capabilities. This means they either enhance the effectiveness of effort or reduce the physical burden on workers performing heavy mechanical tasks. The Japanese company Cyberdyne has introduced the hybrid assistive limb exoskeleton, designed to assist in emergency situations and post-disaster recovery. This exoskeleton, developed to reduce the physical strain on the user, uses advanced technology to read biopotential signals. With sensors that detect weak electrical signals from the skin, hybrid assistive limb enhances the user's movements and reduces physical effort. In its basic version for lower limbs, it weighs around 15 kilograms, making it light enough for extended wear. The hybrid assistive limb exoskeleton was used, for example, during recovery efforts after severe floods in Japan, assisting rescuers and volunteers with heavy physical tasks, such as clearing debris and transporting materials. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. Goodbye.